Hey folks, it's Andy Barrar, Handy Andy from handyandymedia.com. Today I'll be doing a review of the Venom Go. This is a heat and vibration wearable. That's right, if you have sore or tight muscles, this is going to help you. And look at me, I am a case in point. I always get injured from jump rope fitness, and I'm always looking for solutions to basically relieve my muscles. So does this thing work? We're about to find out. So here's everything you get with the Hyperice Venom Go. It's consists of a pod and a pad. There's the pod itself. That's the unit that creates the heat and the vibrations. And then you have the pad. And what you'll notice is that there is a magnetic connection in the center. And so the pod connects to the pad from that magnetic connection. You can see I have it connected right there. From there, there is this kind of like film paper that you would take off, and then it gets sticky, and then you can place it on your body. And Hyperice says you can use this about 20 times before that adhesive kind of just weakens and it won't stick anymore. So you're going to have to replace those pads at some point in time if you keep using this. It does have some buttons, so there's the power button to basically turn it off, and you don't have to use the app. You can use it just on this device, on the pod itself. So that adjusts the heat levels between the three different kind of heat levels. And then if you turn it over, you'll also see that it's charged by a USB-C port. And then you also have a vibration levels. So you can mix and match between the heat and vibrations to get that kind of treatment that you're looking for. And again, you can do this both on the unit itself, but you could also program that in an app, which I'll show you in just a bit. So super easy to use. I think you're going to get the usage really depends on what kind of configuration you have, but I think generally you can expect to get at least a half an hour, maybe some more, depending on the settings. So here you are inside the app. You can then skip over, and once it gets all connected, because it is doing a Bluetooth connection to your smartphone from the device itself. From there, you can actually select your settings, and then determine how long you want the session to be, and also the different types of vibration levels. So in this one, I was going to select the maximum kind of heat, just kind of see what the kind of range was between the three. But then basically you would start the session, and then you can see the countdown right there from the app, and then you can track your sessions as well inside of this app. So there I go, I'm starting the countdown. Now I just have to place it onto my body part, and wherever I want to kind of heal, to get that kind of first look experience with this device. And you'll notice that on the app you can actually increase or decrease the session time, but it's typically about 10 minutes. So here I'm removing the film to place it for the first time, and I do have a sore shoulder from the gym, so I wanted to see if it maybe could help with that shoulder. It's a little bit tight compared to the other shoulder. So I set the timer on, and there I'm basically feeling both the vibrations and the heat at the same time. And I have to admit, I like the fact that I could kind of move around. I don't know if the adhesive would keep sticking if I kept moving around, but it really felt good. And now I'm just kind of playing around with the adjustments of the vibration settings and the heat settings, but it does give a nice, comfortable look. I've never seen anything like this before. Of course we have those percussion guns, but I like that this is hands-free, that you can place it on and get kind of a treatment in that area, loosen up those muscles, get some blood flow going in there, and that heat really helps. So then I wanted to try it on my bicep, because I think I tore my bicep up at some point in time, not at the gym, but it was actually doing irrigation lines, trying to squeeze two lines together. I think I kind of tore it. And I wanted to see if maybe this could help. And it kind of did feel good. But unfortunately, there were bees just underneath me that kept trying to bite me. So I was getting a little bit distracted. But it's a nice, soothing feeling. It does feel like a heat treatment and vibration. It's like a 2-in-1. It's like if one of those massaging guns were hot, or you was on a hot pad. That's kind of what it feels like. So I really did enjoy it. I was kind of getting my flex on to see if it would kind of come off with the adhesive, but it didn't. Then this is where I really have trouble, is on my left leg, both on my Achilles and my calf. So I put it on my calf because unfortunately, just the way it's designed, I wouldn't be able to get this onto my Achilles and keep it, secure there. But on the calf, I'm moving around, I'm kind of flexing, moving my leg, trying to flex that muscle. to see if I can get it off. It does come off on just living off the edge there, but it was holding together pretty good. Like I said, it has about 20 treatments, so you don't know. At some point in time, you're going to have to get more pads if you use it a lot. Anyways, if you're looking for a place for treatment, you should definitely check this out. It's Hyperice Venom Go. I'm Andy Berard, Handy Andy Media, signing out.